Hey guys, really quick, it's Micheline dropping in to do a quick pattern review. I've been taking you all along with me on TikTok, my journey, just showing how I make this top, just giving some little tips and just sharing my journey of making this top, right? Now this is a pattern by Seamwork. It is a PDF pattern. It's only 4 pieces. You have your front bodice, which does include a sleeve because this is a dolman style top. And then your back piece, you have your front facing and your back facing. I love a quick sew. Who doesn't love something that's super quick and easy? Sometimes you have those moments where you just need a good win, right? Like, I just need to get something done, creative, and I want it to be something easy, no stressing, no fussing. Well, this pattern is definitely it for me, okay? It's definitely going to be a go-to. I did cut a 10, no, a 12, I believe, a 12, according to my bust measurements and, of course, my waist. So I didn't grade anything or blend any lines. I just cut a 12. And as you can see, it is dolman. So naturally your dolman tops are gonna have that extra blousey look, baggy look sometimes under the arm area where the bust is, because that's just part of the style. So I think I could have gotten away with cutting out a size 10 for this pattern. But either way, I think it turned out really cute. I like it a lot. And I'm super happy that I did get it done. So I'm gonna do a quick full 360 for you. I'm gonna untuck it because I do have mine tucked in. Bear with me because I'm trying to figure out my tripod situation, the length, and all the things. But hey, I showed up, so let's get into it. All right, so let me pull the camera down just a bit. I think that's going to be good. Is that good? Okay, maybe a little more. Okay. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, it has a nice curved hemline. If you want to wear it tucked out, do your thing, right? And then here's the side. Here's the back. I like where it hits. It doesn't cover too much to make me look, you know, I'm trying to look balanced, right? Because I'm only 5'4". And then here's the front. And then I like to wear it tucked in. So here you go, tucked in. There you go. There you go. Just out your little tuck. There we go. So that's that. I think it's super cute. The neckline is probably my favorite. I just like how it's just right under the collarbone. Just a little scoop neckline. Not too high, not too low. So I think that's perfect for me. And what else here? Now, it is a little baggy. Like I said, it is a dolman shape, which that's expected. But we weren't going for fit here. We were going for completion and we were going for cute. And I think I nailed it, okay? Something quick, something flattering, and something easy to sew. So that's this top. The fabric details here, this is actually from Michael's. You know, Joann's did go bankrupt. They did sell and do all the things they needed to do to liquidate. So they do have they do have a line. I think it's called Michael and Joann or something like that. So I popped in there to see what they had, and they had some pretty cute options. Now, if you're a quilter, that would definitely be a go-to. I would recommend that. But if you're an avid clothing sewer, you prefer apparel, you could find some things in there, but not your go-to for variety. They did not have many knits at all that I seen, so that was a bummer. But they had plenty of woven. So like I said, if you quilt or you do children's clothes, you definitely find some things in there that will suit your fancy for sure. Other than that, oh, I did pay only like $5 for 2 yards of fabric, like $5. Was it 2 yards? I don't remember, but I had a coupon, so whatever the price was plus the coupon, it was like $5 off. So I ended up walking away with like this for that much money. I did pre-treat the fabric, so I did wash it. I always do that with my knits, especially if I'm gonna wear it, because you don't know where that fabric been at. Who's rats and roaches? Just probably just rats, roaches, and dust. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna leave that there. But let me know what you all think. If you made this top, I want to see your pictures. Drop your picture below. There's a young lady on YouTube. She made a few of them. Oh, hers was super cute. And she shared those, and I thought that, and that's why I was like, oh, let me try this pattern. Let me figure out, you know, if I can do this, and let me find out about it. And I'm glad I did because it's super cute. Like I said, I'm gonna probably cut down to a 10 and then make some more solid colors like a brown, a black, and maybe a cream. And I think I may do one in knit. but I have to probably do some alterations for a knit one. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more, because I'll be posting more videos of sewing content, some tips, some tricks, and just kind of like my journey in making things. I'm getting back into sewing a little more. I don't know what it is about the holidays, but I just feel like I have more adrenaline and energy and ambition to sew. So I'm going to try to get as much as I can out between life, kids, work, and school. So until next time, guys, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. If you made the top once again, I would love to see your picture. Tag me with your handle or drop the picture in the comments so I can check it out and leave a comment as well. Until next time, later.